Yo, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install a beta version of iOS on your iPhone. So if you want to install a beta OS, or if you want to check the iOS update beforehand, that what's going to come to iPhone next, you can just simply use these few steps and you can get the beta version on your iPhone too. So what you need to do is you need to go to Google and search for beta profiles. And after that, the first option by iPhone is beta profile. You need to go on this link. The link will also be linked down in the description. You can check it out from there too. Now here what you need to do is scroll down, and it'll give you a bunch of options that Apple offers. So we are interested in iOS. So what we're going to do is click on iOS, and after that we're going to click on download or install beta profile. Okay, so once we click that, now a file is going to start downloading. Now we gotta wait. Depending on the internet connection, it'll get downloaded. Once it's downloaded, what you need to do is go to download and click on that app. First thing that you need to make sure is you're going to see a signature option there. You need to make sure it's verified and it's by Apple, because sometimes you might go and stumble upon different websites and download something else, and that can harm your phone. Once you verify and it's verified with a green tick mark, what you need to do is click on install. Okay, once it's installed, it's going to restart your phone. And after that, what you need to do is you need to go to setting, then go to general, and go to check for software updates. Now once you click on software updates, it's going to take some time loading the new updates, and then you can see just like this on my screen, you will get the latest update for the beta version of iOS 16 or future iOS, depending on which time you're watching this. You'll get the update there on your software update option, and from here you can just wait for it to get downloaded, and once it's downloaded you can click on install, and you'll get the iOS installed, the beta version installed on your iPhone. This is how you can get the beta version installed on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.